So I'm finally getting back to the 57 frame project here for the 57 wagon. We're going to try and drive to Nova Scotia. And I got taken out with a bit of a back problem for about a week. So now I'm back at it. And let's see what we're going to get here. Front frame, pretty much all done. The front suspension's all bolted in, all the brackets are made up and whatnot. And now on to the back. Now I'm going to lengthen the wheelbase 1.5 inches to give a little extra clearance for the wheels and tires where they meet the rocker panel, where they come kind of close when you run a bigger tire on these things. So this mount down here, let's see if I can get a picture of it. But basically this is the rear end. And there's the mount that mounts to the frame. I got it lowered down right now. But in order to get to the ride height that I'd want to run, I'd have to cut almost all the way through the frame here to get it into the ride height I want, which would leave no structure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plate in the back of the frame and kind of do this. So that'll be the actual frame. And then once that's in, pop this up here. Yeah, then once that's in, then I can come along and cut this out in the same fashion. So I'll keep the same thickness of the frame right up and through. And then where the suspension's gonna mount, I'll just have to make a little pocket, and then the tie rod will have more clearance and everything else. If I didn't want to alter the wheelbase, I could just squeak by getting it to fit. But because I want to lengthen it 1.5 inches, I'm making a ton of work for myself. So I'll try and take some pictures or videos along the way, and wish me luck. Hopefully we can get it done.